All right, everybody, I'm out here in the garage this morning. Yeah, I got my Santa hat on. My wife and I both got one of these. These are the hats that we wear when we take Ruby out in December. We drive around a couple of the spots that we like to park at, and just to get Ruby out and stretch her legs and just have a good old time in the month of December. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and I tell you what, I appreciate everybody that comes to my channel and watches my videos. And like I've said before, I guess I'm doing something right because y'all keep coming back. But I tell you what, I hope y'all get some nice kits from the big old guy in red for Christmas, so we can start off 2024 with a good year and some new kits. Let me turn y'all around here. I got something I want to show you. Hang on, fellas. All right, fellas, here we are over at the bench. Now, first let me say something here. I've been having trouble with my Android phone. It's a Samsung S22 Plus. Man, I tell you what, it just doesn't want to take videos very good. It's blurry, and same thing with pictures. So I reached out to the community in one of my, in my last video, and Pat over at Cardz Scale Dreams kind of gave me some tips on what to try, and this is actually one of the new settings that I'm trying on my video. So we'll see how it works once I post this, but I'm going to zoom in because I've been having trouble when I move in close. Everything just gets blurry, so we'll see. We're going to see how this works on this new setting. But anyway, let me get back to this. Fellas, this is that M2 kit that I bought over at Hobby Lobby. Man, I tell you what, these things are all steel. And I bought one of these a while back at 57 Chevy there, and I just thought it was so cool. I've still got to put the red beads up there on the fuel injection stacks, but man, I decided to put that injected engine in there. They give you since it's got the black top, I put the black wheels on it. I thought that looked pretty good, but they also give you another set. These are Redline tires and chrome wheels, and they give you this extra engine. That's a blown engine, and these are going to go in something. I'm going to find something I've got in my stash somewhere in one of those boxes, one of them old kits or something. I'll find something, because y'all remember I used the extra parts on this 55 Cameo here, so that came out pretty good. So here's the axles they give you and the screws. Now guys, there ain't much to these. Basically you screw the chassis onto the bottom, put the wheels in the tires, screw the engine in, and yep, you're done. Now on this blown engine, I'm gonna make a distributor for it and wire it like I did on that one, but that'll be down the road. But I just want to show this to you guys, and here's the instruction for this thing. Like I said, not a whole lot to it. Now this section right here where they tell you to soak those tires in hot water so they'll get pliable, so you can get those wheels in there. And let me tell you what, now when I built that one, it was pretty tough to get those wheels in there, but it was in the summertime. But now in the wintertime, I soak these wheels in hot water. Now they tell you the hottest tap water you can get. So man, I tell you, I like to tore those rims up trying to get those on there. It took me, I worked on these things for a couple hours. I finally got them on. I tell you what, my fingers are sore, but I tried to get these on and I just couldn't get it. I don't know. I got one of them here. It got kind of tore up on the bottom side, but I think I'm gonna have to take those in the house and then heat up some water on the stove, I think, and get it more hotter than just the tap water, and hopefully that'll get them a little bit more pliable where I can get those wheels in there. But man, I tell you what, they're tough. This does have an opening hood. Not much to look at. I mean, it's a bare engine, but at least the hood does open. That's the only thing that's functional on it. But they're just a cool looking kit. I like them. I'm not going to buy a whole bunch of these things because these suckers are a little on the pricey side. I think the regular price on these are like $52, but I got it with the 40% off, so wasn't too bad. But I just thought that looked so cool, I just had to get this one. All right, fellas, I think I'm gonna call this one quits. I just want to get on here and try my new camera settings out and show you all this 56 Ford pickup that I got over at Hobby Lobby. All right, I'm done.